This is MKW Pros 124 here, and I have another Lego gumball machine. So, I'll bring the camera up here. Right here, that's where you take this is the top, you just gotta take it off. Take your gumball, put it in the coins, the spot right there, the gumball holder. It's right by the coin slot. And put the top back on. Okay. And now I'll tell you about the machine. Right here is where you get your gumball out. This side is where you put your quarter in. Right here on this side is the money jar, but as you can see, it is locked. There's a little peg sticking out. And then this side is the locking mechanism. So, I'll show you the machine in action. So you just take 25 cents, 1 quarter, put it in the coin slot, and it got stuck. There we go. It's got jammed for a second. That happens every like 20 times. So, yeah, I'll just redo that now. I just gotta redo that. Alright, we'll reload and everything now. Okay. And now let's try that one more time. As you can see, the gumball fell out. And over here on this side, get your money out. But you can't. The drawer is locked. So you take these 3 pieces off, and then it's still locked. So you have to take this thing out. And now the drawer is unlocked. As you can see, there's a quarter in there. And now it is time for the mechanism. Everybody loves the mechanism. Feel free to use this mechanism. Just comment saying you used it. That would make me very happy. So then, okay. Just take this off. And then put the gumball in. And now I can show you. Okay. Right there's the gumball. And there's some ramps. And then right here there's a coin slot right there, you can see. And I dropped the coin in, and this blue piece right here, that's a ramp. It's a 1x2 ramp. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll try to find one in my Lego buckets. Okay, I found one. It's one of these. So the coin rolls down and it hits the gumball, and then the coin rolls down 2 more of these right into the, I don't know what that was, right into the coin slot. Sorry about that. And I will show you from the inside. So I'll put the coin in. And you see the coin fell down there. You can see the coin. And then the gumball came right out that hole there. Now just unlock this. And then sometimes the coin goes in the wrong way and it gets stuck. But, yeah. See, it works. And right here, the reason why I have this hole is the ramps are right there, so the coin easily just rolls in. Just like that. So yeah, that's the mechanism. Feel free to use it as long as you comment saying that you're going to use it. Yep, that's it. So let's just do that one more time because it's a very fun machine to use. And also, I built this in about an hour 30 minutes, maybe an hour. probably about then. So you should take 25 cents, put in here, and you get your gumball. So thanks, rate, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe if you like gumballs. Bye.